Welcome back, welding enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of precision welding with Nikit Engineers Mini Profile Welder. We are excited to showcase you the MIG welding process of brackets using this cutting-edge welding automation solution. Imagine achieving flawless welds on brackets with unmatched precision. Our Mini Profile Welder is engineered to make that a reality. Its advanced technology ensures consistent weld quality, making it a go-to choice for industries. This compact powerhouse boasts user-friendly controls, allowing operators to set parameters with ease. The real star, however, is its MIG welding capability. The Mini Profile Welder ensures clean, strong welds on brackets of varying sizes. As the Mini Profile Welder expertly navigates the weld path, you will witness the seamless fusion of metals, creating robust and reliable connections. The welder's adaptability shines as it effortlessly tackles different bracket shapes and sizes. Whether you're in automotive, fabrication, or any industry requiring precision welding, Nikit Engineers Mini Profile Welder is your trusted companion. In conclusion, with Nikit Engineers at the forefront of welding innovation, our Mini Profile Welder sets a new standard for MIG welding of brackets. Elevate your welding game with our cutting-edge solution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more welding insights. Until next time, keep those sparks flying with Nikit Engineers Mini Profile Welder, where precision meets perfection. Happy welding!